everyone, welcome back. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it much harder for anyone else to access it without your permission. So, here's how to enable it on the Kraken app. Open the app and go to Security Settings. This is where all your account protection features are managed. Then tap the Two-Factor Authentication and choose your preferred authenticator app. Google Authenticator and Authy are recommended. A QR code will appear on the screen. Open your Authenticator app and scan this QR code to link it to your Kraken account. Enter the 6-digit code generated by your Authenticator app to confirm that it's working correctly. Then, make sure to save your backup codes in a secure place. These codes let you regain access to your account if you lose your phone or cannot use your Authenticator app. Once Two-factor authentication is set up, your account is much more secure. Remember to keep your backup codes safely. They are the key to your access if something goes wrong. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.